PanOxyl Acne Treatment Bar with 10% Benzoyl. The PanOxyl Acne Treatment Bar with 10% benzoyl is an exceptional product that effectively tackles acne and blemishes. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this acne treatment bar is a game changer for individuals of all skin types. One of the key features of this product is its convenient bar form. Unlike traditional acne creams or gels, the bar form allows for easy application and ensures that the product stays intact even during travel or storage. This makes it a great choice for people constantly on the go. Regardless of your skin type, the PanOxyl Acne Treatment Bar promises impressive results. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this product is formulated to combat acne effectively. The 10% benzoyl peroxide concentration in this treatment bar ensures that acne-causing bacteria are eliminated, leaving your skin clearer and healthier. Another notable feature of this product